everyone. Now you are going to learn one more problem in the real numbers, and the question is use the division algorithm to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So once again let me explain in detail. So what are the key points in this one? We have to take a positive integer and we have to cube it, and finally we have to show that either it is a multiple of 9 or 1 more than the multiple of 9 or 8 more than the multiple of 9. So once again, take a positive integer and cube it. You can express either that number in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Let me explain this one with some examples. So I am going to take an example randomly, that is I am going to take 8, and according to the given question we have to cube it. So I am going to find out the cube of this one. 8 cube is equal to 512, and finally we have to express this 512 in any one of these three forms. So now I am going to divide that 512 by 9. So divide with 9. 9 times 5 is 45 and the remainder is 6. 6 to 62. 9 times 6 is 54, the remainder is 8. So 512 can be expressed as 9 into 56 plus 8. So clearly which is in the form of 9m plus 8. Let me take one more example. I am going to take an example that is 9. So again I am going to cube it. 9 cube is equal to 729. So clearly 9 is a multiple of 9. So obviously 729 is a multiple of 9. So which we can express in the form of 9 into m. So simply 9 cube is equal to 9 into 9 into 9. So 3 times we have to multiply the same number. So this is 9 into 81. So which we expressed in the form of 9m. So let me take one more example. 10. So I am going to cube it. 10 cube is equal to 1000. So 1000 can be written as 999 plus 1. So 999 can be written as 9 multiplied by 111 plus 1. So clearly which is in the form of 9m plus 1. So take any positive integer and cube it, and that can be expressed either in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Let me go through this problem. Let me prove it. So once again you read the question. He advised us to use the division algorithm. So I am going to use the division algorithm. Let me recall the division algorithm. What is the division algorithm? So that is a is equal to bq plus r. Here a is equal to any positive integer. A may be any positive integer, b is the divisor, q is the quotient, and r is the remainder. And r is more than or equal to 0 and less than b. According to the given question, I am assuming that the any positive integer be a and the value of b is equal to 9. So actually the value of b is equal to 9 according to the given question. Then the value of r will become 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 9 different cases to solve. So in order to reduce the number of steps, I am going to use one of the fact, that is all the factors of 9 are also factors of 3. So if any number is divided by 9, that number is obviously divided by 3. So that is the reason instead of taking the b value as 9, I am taking the b value as 3. So if you take b is equal to 9, you will get 9 different cases and you have to solve 9 different cases. But if you take b is equal to 3, you will get 3 different cases and you have to solve the 3 different cases. Instead of solving 9 different cases, it is better to solve 3 different cases. That is the reason I am taking the value of b as 3. If b is equal to 3, then obviously r is equal to either 0 or 1 or 2. So r value is equal to, it may be 0 or 1 or 2. As we have 3 different r values, we get 3 different cases, and 3 different cases are a is equal to 3 cube, a is equal to 3 cube plus 1, a is equal to 3 cube plus 2. Let me solve these 3 different cases. So let me take the first one. What is that? A is equal to 3 cube. So already he mentioned in the question we are going to cube it. So I am going to cube on both sides. I'm cubing both sides. I will get a cube is equal to 3 cube whole cube. So we know 3q whole cube is nothing but 3 cube and q cube. 3 cube is nothing but 3 multiplied by itself 3 times. So 3 into 3 will become 27. So a cube is equal to 27 q cube. And I am going to express this one in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. As 27 is a multiple of 9, so I am writing it as 9 times 3 cube. So and I am going to assume that 3 cube is equal to m. Then a cube becomes 9m. So in the first case, I expressed the given positive integer in the form of 9m. That is, now I am going to take the second case. What is the second case? A is equal to 3q plus 1. Again, according to the given question, what we have to do? We have to cube. So I am cubing on both sides. If you cube on both sides, you will get a cube is equal to 3q plus 1 whole cube. So here we get a problem. Here you have to simplify this one by using the formula a plus b whole cube. And the formula for a plus b whole cube is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. We have to remember this formula in order to expand that binomial 3q plus 1 whole cube. So I am going to expand it by using the formula. So here according to the given question, first term whole cube. So here first term is 3q whole cube. The second term 3 into first term square into b. Here 3 into first term square into b. Third one is 3 into first term into second term square. 3 into first term into square of the second term. And final one is second term cube. Here second term cube. So by using the formula I expanded. So if you simplify here, you will get 3q whole cube as 27q cube. Here 3 square is 9. So 9 into 3 will become 27q square. So here 3 multiplied by 3 will become 9. And 1 cube is equal to 1. So first 3 terms, if you observe 27, 27, 9, all these are all multiples of 9. So I am going to take 9 common in the next step. So if you take 9 common, you will get the solution like this. That is, if you take 9 common, the remaining is 3q cube plus 3q square plus q. Simplify this one, 9 into 3 27, 9 into 3 27, 9 into q will become 9q. So obviously it is correct. So and I am going to assume that this total value is equal to m. So finally I am going to express that one in the form of 9m plus 1. So I assumed that q cube plus 3q square plus q is equal to m. So I expressed in the form of 9m plus 1. So second case I expressed in the form of 9m plus 1. Now I am going to solve the third case. What is the third case? A is equal to 3q plus 2. Again, according to the question, we have to cube it. So I am going to cube it. Again, I am going to apply the same formula a plus b whole cube. If I expand, I will get like this: 3q whole cube plus 3 into 3q whole square into 2 plus 3 into 3q into 2 square plus 2 cube. Further, if I simplify, I will get 27q cube plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8. If you observe the first 3 terms, all the coefficients 27, 54, 36 are multiples of 9. So I am going to take 9 common in all those terms, and in the next step I will assume that this value is equal to m. So finally I can express that one in the form of 9m plus 8.